Haber overview. What is pipe speech, or pipe speech labs? Blaster 2000 PSLB 2000 Pipe Speech Labs Blaster 2000 PSLB 2000 is a simple, self-contained project designed to transform text into audio using OpenAI's text-to-speech models. It follows a clear and predictable structure. You write or paste your content into a Markdown file, insert the marker between sections, and the script automatically generates one audio file per section. The whole point of separators is to allow us to consider factors such as limits associated with OpenAI service, but also other elements associated with narration, moments for pausing or changing voice actors. Each generated file is later listed inside output/list.txt, allowing you to combine them into one seamless MP3 narration using FFmpeg. The purpose of this project is to make long-form reading easier to listen to. For instance, documentation, essays, or learning materials, while keeping everything transparent and reproducible in plain files. Features: the core idea. Weplex speech is intentionally minimalistic and designed to feel mechanical yet dependable. Instead of relying on invisible APIs or complex frameworks, it runs from a simple terminal command. Each part of your Markdown is treated as a block of voice output. The splitter defines the rhythm of narration, letting you control pacing and duration per audio segment. The generated file names are deterministic: audio.001.mp3, audio002.mp3, which means the playback sequence is stable for later concatenation. A small internal queue, queue.json, tracks the status of each piece from initial preparation to success or error, giving you full visibility. To use the project, you only need Node.js 20+ and FFmpeg. Node.js runs the TTS automation, while FFmpeg joins the resulting MP3 files into a single combined output. You will also need an OpenAI API key stored privately in your configuration file. No external servers or dependencies are required. Everything runs locally in your environment. Quick start narrative. You begin by placing your OpenAI key and settings inside config.json, then write your text in input.md. Each section of your text should end with to indicate where one audio file should stop and the next should begin. After that, you execute MIT license, copyright, C 2025 Marcio S. Gali. Permission is hereby granted, free of charge, to any person obtaining a copy of this software and associated documentation files, the software, to deal in the software without restriction, including without limitation the rights to use, copy, modify, publish, distribute, sublicense, and/or sell copies of the software, and to permit persons to whom the software is furnished to do so, subject to the following conditions. The above copyright notice and this permission notice shall be included in all copies or substantial portions of the software. The software is provided as is, without warranty of any kind, express or implied, including but not limited to the warranties of merchantability, fitness for a particular purpose, and non-infringement. In no event shall the authors or copyright holders be liable for any claim, damages, or other liability, whether in an action of contract, tort, or otherwise, arising from, out of, or in connection with the software or the use or other dealings in the software. Marcio's additional terms: life, provided as is without warranties of any kind. The following terms and conditions govern your use of this service and any other related material. If you do not agree to the terms and conditions provided here, do not use the service. Under no circumstances, including, but not limited to, any circumstance, shall this service, its creator and/or parent entities or affiliates, be liable for any direct or indirect, incidental, or consequential damages from the direct or indirect use of, or the inability to use. This service should not be used for mission-critical applications, such as aircraft control, radar monitoring, global thermonuclear war control. Life, thought, content, or any other related material is subject to failure or changes without prior notice. This agreement is effective till terminated by the service creator at any time without notice. In the event of final termination, you are not longer authorized to live in, enjoy, create, modify, and evolve. Use this at your own risk and just enjoy.